really hurt. Is that a video? And the allergic reaction to Bath and Body Works lip balm. Don't buy it. It sucks.
What flavor is it?
Frosted water.
Don't buy Frosted Waterberry lip balm from Bath and Body Works, or your lips will look like this. Don't pucker.
You can't kiss with them either.
Why would you be kissing anyways?
Yeah, because that's for bad people. You don't kiss until you're married. We're
Says
talking to
Mrs.
you. We're talking to
Jenkins.
you.
Says Mrs. Jenkins.
Yeah, says Mrs. Jenkins. She's not lying.
So, what you eating?
Piece of pizza.
See, she can't open her mouth because of the lips. Maybe someday I'll do my reenactment of it on this, of her fall from the swing for you.
Put this on YouTube. After I watched, of course. My lips really hurt. Do I have to be filming all of this?
Don't die, my love.
I don't have cancer yet.
Don't be so pessimistic. Mrs. Debbie Downer.
Oh, that's hilarious. Don't call me Debbie Downer. I was like, my name's not Debbie. And he was like, so? He was a Debbie person anyway.